Did you know that roasted seaweed chips can be a game changer for your snacking habits? These crunchy bites are not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy and low in calories. Try this today. Grab a sheet of nori, seaweed, drizzle it with a little olive oil, and sprinkle on your favorite seasonings like sea salt or garlic powder. Pop them in the oven at 350 degree, 175 degree, for about 10 minutes until they're crispy. It's that simple. These chips are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially iodine and omega-3 fatty acids, which can boost your metabolism and improve thyroid function. Imagine a snack that satisfies your cravings while keeping you energized throughout the day. They're perfect for munching during movie night or as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Plus, they're so light and crispy, you won't believe they're healthy. The best part? You can customize them with different spices to suit your taste. Would you try this? Give roasted seaweed chips a go and let us know what you think. What's your favorite healthy food hack? Try this easy recipe and transform your snacking game today. You might just find your new favorite snack.